All right, let's talk about using general form here to find the x-intercept and the y-intercept and then potentially graph our line. All right, there's several ways we can do this. Some of you will just use the plugging in of 0 to get your x and y intercepts. All right, but what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to solve this for y first because 99 times out of 100 when we're dealing with lines, we're going to work with it in slope-intercept form. So slope-intercept form is the same thing as getting y by itself. So let's subtract 4x from both sides, and let's add 6 to both sides. And let's also divide both sides by -3. All right, and I'm just going to divide both terms here by -3. All right, can I simplify either of these fractions on the right-hand side? Well, yes, I can. I'm going to get positive 4/3 x because the negatives will cancel, and I'll get -2 because -3 goes into 6 minus 2 times. All right, so I've started with general form, and I now have the line y equals 4/3 x minus 2. All right, what is this minus 2? All right, it's, of course, y equals mx plus b, and it's the b, but again, guys, that's the y-intercept. So immediately, I know my y-intercept is going to be 0, -2. Okay, what is my x-intercept? How do I go about figuring out the x-intercept? All right, let's go back to our line here. All right, so how am I going to find the x-intercept? Well, if we are crossing the x-axis somewhere, all right, what's going to be 0? And if you can teach yourself to visualize axes and think of crossing the x-axis somewhere, then you'll know that it's y that is 0. Not x, all right? X is hopefully some number that we're going to find, but y is the one that we plug 0 in for. All right, and we are going to solve this. All right, I'm going to add 2 to both sides. Uh-oh, fraction. Danger, danger. All right, what do we do with fractions, guys? We can just multiply by the reciprocal, so I can multiply both sides by 3/4. All right, and they cancel here as 1, so I just get x by itself. All right, and over here, remember, we multiply fractions straight across, and so I get 6/4. Does 6/4 reduce? Sure it does. It reduces to 3/2 because 2 goes into both 6 and 4. All right, and so I have my x-intercept of 3/2, 0. All right, and recall from a minute ago, our y-intercept was 0, -2. All right, can I use just these two intercepts to graph the equation of my line? Sure, we can use the intercepts. All right, I'm going to plot my 2 points, all right, or my 2 intercepts. I have my y-intercept down here at 0, -2, and I have my x-intercept over here at 1.5, 0. And so using my 2 intercepts, I can easily graph the equation of my line.